I wonder what's inside the refrigerator though. Ew, what the heck is that?
That I heard.
The gulping noise?
Uh-huh.
Guys, and today we're gonna be exploring this one area. Randonautica sent us to. It's the road up here. We did come back from here to that old like bandit road. I think that goes to a cave. I don't know really. So we're gonna continue on this path. This is another road Randonautica sent us to. So yeah, the last video we did up here was shaky, so lovely. More dead animals up here. Very lovely. We're gonna keep going up. Definitely fresh bullets. Look at that. Definitely somebody's been shooting off rounds left and right. Don't know why. Very interesting. Whoever this guy is, he's got 22 rounds. Those are very fresh too.
I don't remember them.
Nope. Somebody's been moving rocks. Huh. Interesting. Very interesting. I wonder what's inside the refrigerator though. Corn dogs looks like, huh? Oh Jesus. Definitely nothing, huh? We did all that work for nothing, I guess. Oh, ew, something's raunchy over here. Shut this door! You know what? Let's get out of here before. Oh, ew! What the heck is that? What is that?
I don't know.
Looks like blood on that.
I don't care.
I don't even want to touch this. Looks like to me that might be dry blood. I don't know. Guys, let me know if this is dry blood or not. What is this golden thing? Interesting. I didn't really explore around here last time I was up here. I wonder why they did this. What is it in there? Oh, interesting. And that bird. Bird, my boy. Oh, I think I know what this is. Somebody was gold mining up here, looks like. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below what this is. Would love to know. I'd love to hear what you guys think this is. Could be like a mining equipment. Let's continue. Now, this is where I've been up here before last week. This road here comes to a dead end. So I'm gonna show you guys it. That way you guys can say, okay. So there's no cave there. So yeah. There's also this road up here that goes into the forest. Now it goes to a creek, so yeah. Definitely quiet up here. I gotta lie, we're by ourselves now. but the Randonautica video's gotta go on. We are gonna find this so-called cave, guys, because if you go down this road here, right there, in front of us, right there, this road goes all the way down to a creek and into a valley, which inside the valley, there was a little mining area, it looks like. Somebody was digging there, probably looking for gold. So, we're gonna continue up this area here. I'm definitely creepy, not gonna lie. But I've been into creepy forests before. And this is not gonna be my first video. So, let's go. Let's go exploring the world. You know, what's funny, guys, is I'm gonna be exploring a lot of forests, I can tell you that. But I think I find forests to be, oh my god, it's a white-tailed buck back here. Oh my god. Man, I just seen his white tail. Holy cow. What the heck is that whistle? Maybe that's that deer. Look. There's a deer walking. There's two. Two deer right there. Okay, it's not the deer that's whistling. He's staring at me right now. Yeah, check this up, Andy. Okay, we got that creepy like whistle. Like the deer is staring directly at me. And also we are hearing that whistle. I don't know what type of bird that is. We do have that weird whistle. What the? I'm more scared of what that is. I'm more scared of that deer over there. I'm just curious. What type of bird was that? We are bird hunting right now. It's a big crow. I don't know if that's the crow that was making that noise. Yeah, the deer's still staring at me. Better chances just leave the deer alone. And hopefully they don't take charge after me. You know. Okay, there's a ditch line here, guys. I'm not gonna risk going to the deer, so let's figure out where this ditch line is going to. I'm damn sure that nothing's around me right now. There's only the deer down that way, but we ain't gonna worry about the deer that's down that way, is it? Yeah. I wanted to show you guys a creek, but the problem is the deer. Now, I don't know if they can stomp you. I think they can. So, better chances just leaving them alone and just keep going. Because that does go off into a cliff, so I don't want to hurt any animals. Okay, I thought for a minute I was a human being for a minute. I was about to take off running. What brought me to this area is that weird bird. Now, it could have been a crow. What's weird, guys, is the deers likes to stay right there and right over there. So I'm wondering if they're hearing something they don't like. I don't know. Just saying, guys. The forest is active, sounds like. So I'm gonna keep going, I guess. Definitely looks like a road. But it looks like it to me. It goes on to another road. More ditch lines. I don't know what the ditch lines mean. Look at this. Not gonna lie to you guys. This is definitely a ditch line. A mushroom. I don't know what these ditch lines could be, to be honest with you. We're gonna keep going. There's a big ditch line here. Big hole. Highly doubt this is the cave. Now, the cave does look like this, but you gotta crawl in. That's definitely probably not the cave. I bet you anything that used to be a building of some kind. Oh my god, man, it's raunchy over here opening this refrigerator. Is that? I don't know what that is. Definitely raunchy, whatever that is. I don't know when that could be on the ground here. Could be a paper towel. And that definitely smells bad. They could have put like dead animals in there. Look at this. They probably dumped that from that refrigerator. Ugh. I don't even want to know at this point. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. And I'll see you guys in the future. Peace out. Hit the like button. Comment down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're brand new. We just discovered dirt road that absolutely keeps going. Don't know why. And then today we explored this one, a creepy forest with the deer. Yeah, that was kind of cool. Not gonna lie, I'm bumping into them. Hit the like button, comment down below, share the video if you can, guys. And merchandise coming soon, guys. As you can see, the Ghost Hunter merch. Ghost Hunter Phila merch, actually. So, I recommend copying yourself those hoodies because they are cool. But they are the first edition, so the hoodie's gonna be somewhat cheap because let's face it. But anyways, definitely recommend buying it. It's the first edition. It's brand new. We are fixing the weird stuff to the hoodie. So yeah. Also t-shirts is for sale over there too. So recommend copying yourself some merch over there. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. The noise. None of your...
It's just a noise that I heard.
The gulping noise?
Something like that.
Really? Huh.
I don't know how far
Sound
it
like
was.
it's very freaking weird how we heard that gulping noise and then I heard like tree knocks.
Didn't see nothing.
Interesting.
I looked that way.
Interesting. You looked that way.
And I didn't see nothing.
Really?